Hi, I'm looking at Ashmi is going on chatting. Josh is here. Mathura is here. Molly is here. You got a new student. Do you guys have a new friend here? That's good. Is it me? Oh, that's you. That's your first time. That's really, really good. Hope you had a good weekend, all of you. Are we going to have a lucky draw again? Not today. Maybe next week or on Friday. So basically, we are going to do something all of you find little tricky, but you guys are so smart. Maybe some of you don't find it tricky at all. We are going to do maths today, and in maths, we will be and in maths we'll be doing something really interesting, and that is what we are going to do is mean, mode, range in maths. I'll explain you guys if you are stuck on that what it is. If you're not stuck on that, it's good. We'll just have a PowerPoint which will explain you guys what it is. This is the easiest thing. I know it's easy for you, but it's little difficult for some of you. I'm not stuck. I know you're not stuck, but I'm seeing that some of you really get stuck when we ask you what is mean, mode, and things like that. So it'll be a good practice for all of you to do it. The easiest thing in the world. I hope that's the easiest thing, but I'll have some questions for you all. Hi, Pankari. Do we have to work? You don't get stuck. That's really good if you don't get stuck. If you get stuck, just keep looking at it and it's really nice, yeah? So I'll be start sharing my screen. First of all, I'm going to tell you guys about what mean, mode, and range is. If you know it, it's absolutely fine. About the creative writing, we still have today evening. So you guys have time to give me your creative writings from last week, Friday. So if you give me your creative writing, it'll be really good. And after the creative writing, we can tell you who won the creative writing. Miss Report, Chicken Man. Who's Chicken Man? I don't even know who Chicken Man is. Yes, Preet, I've got yours. So let's start sharing the screen now, and let's start doing some work. I'll be explaining you first what it is. We have some earphones. It'll be good for them to have a good practice to know what mean, mode, range is, and then we can start doing some of the questions with with mode, mean, and things like that. So it's a really, really good practice for all of you to do it. So let's start sharing our screen with you all. And the first thing will be I'll be telling you what these things are. And you can stop seeing that. So we are going to do what mode, median, mean, and range is. So I'm going to tell you what these things are. And after you know what they are, we can start doing it. So let's do it. So, what is a mode? Let's see if you guys are so much you know what it is. Let me know what it is. What is a mode, guys? You tell me what it is, then I'll tell you if you guys are right or you're wrong. Mode is the most occurrence. So that is good. The most common number. Well then, guys. So the mode, as you all know, is the most frequent value. It appears the most. Count how many of each value appears. The mode is the value that appears the most. You can have one more. You can have more than one mode. We know that. That's interesting. Mode is the number which occurs the most. That's good, guys. The mode is the most frequent value. It appears the most. The mode is the value that appears the most. We know that. So they have given you an example. They have told you it helps if you order the value from smallest to largest. The best thing is, what you guys don't do it. You just say, oh, I know what mode is. And you don't put them in order. The best thing is you should put them in order, like you have 2 3 4 1 2 3 5 6 3 1. You should put them in order, and after you put them in order, you see which one is the most common one, and you say that, oh, I know my answer. That's mode. That was easy. So this is what mode is. You can have more than one mode because they could be some number which can be have more than one. It's 1 3 3 3 5 6 6 9 9 9. There are two modes here, 3 and 9. That's easy. Okay. This is easy. You guys will know what the mode is. I don't want to keep on doing the mode. They are keep on saying what the mode is. What is a median? Okay, let's see this one. Do you guys know what a median is? So, what is a median? A median is a middle number. Put the numbers in order from the smallest to the largest. Cover up one number on each end until you get the middle number. So median is putting the number in order, and then you put the middle one there. So that's the median. What's happening, guys? Median is a middle number of a series. Yes, that's right. So cover up one number on each end until you get in the middle. So that's the median. So the median is the value that appears in the middle. It helps if you order the value from smallest to largest. Order them from smallest to largest and cross them out until you reach the middle. So what is a median? The median is the middle value. It appears in the middle. The median is the value that appears in the middle. We know that. Work out the median of these numbers. So if you have something like this, you'll put them in order, and then you'll find the middle number like they did in the previous one. So this is median. So I've told you what mode is, I've told you what median is. Now the third one is range. Do you guys know what a range is? So tell me what is the next one, guys. You know what a range is? Anyone? I'm waiting. Leave it now. Don't get distracted and let me know what a range is. Okay, you mean biggest subtract the range is the largest number minus the smallest number. Good. And Ibrahim is also saying, good, you guys are back to normal now. All of you are concentrating. Well done. So range is, I read yours, Prince. It was there. Biggest subtract minus. That's the range. So let's see what they're saying here. The range is the difference between the lowest and the highest value. Find the highest and the lowest value, subtract the lowest value from the highest. So they subtract that 9 minus 2, that's 7, and the range is 7. The range is the difference between the lowest and the highest value. Don't worry, we'll be doing sheets right now. Before we do the sheets, I wanted to tell you guys what all these things are so that you can have a rough idea what it is. The range is the highest minus the lowest. Work out the range of these numbers. It helps you if you order the value from the smallest to the largest. So do you want to find the range for this one? 20, 32, 45, 23, 24. I've already got. Mathura is very fast today. So the biggest number is 60 and the lowest is 20. That gives you 30. What is this? Oh, you wrote 30. You wrote 40 by mistake. 30 by mistake. That's fine. So the answer is 40. So this is range. You find the biggest number, that's 60, and you minus from the smallest number, you know it's 20, and you get your answer to 60. What about this one? Try doing for this one now. The range is the highest minus the lowest. Work out the range of these numbers. It help you if you order the value from the smallest to the largest. So the largest we know is 50 and the lowest in this one we know is 12. There's anything? No, 5 is the lowest. Sorry. So the answer is 45. That was an easy one. We'll be doing some hard ones. This is just a little revision for all of you to know what we're doing, so that you understand these things before we go to the other one. Okay, what is a mean now? Next one, a mean. Okay, sum of numbers and an amount of numbers. Mean is basically the average. To find the mean, you add up all the values to find a total. Divide the total by the number of values you have added together. So basically, you see how many numbers are there given to you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. You add them up and divide by the numbers they are. So there are 6 here and divided by 6. So your mean is 5. That's so easy. Good, Divya. Divya is saying a mean is sum of numbers divide the amount of numbers. So this is the sum of numbers divide the amount of numbers. That's your mean. So the next thing what they're asking you is the mean is the average. Find the mean, add up all the values to find a total, divide the total by the number of values that you have added, work out the mean of these numbers. So you have been given three numbers. You need to add them up and tell me what the mean is now. Add 11 plus 12 plus 10 and divide it by 3. So what is it? 11 plus 12 plus 33 divided by 3, that's 11. So somebody is at least doing it. Good. The answer is 11. We divided 11 plus 12 plus 11 and 11 plus 10 plus 12, you divided by 3. Good. So your answer is 11. Find the mean for this one. Then we will start doing some sheets now. So you guys know what we told you together. So find the mean for the last one. 10 plus 20 plus 15 plus 5 divided by 4. What's your getting the answer? 10 plus 30, 10 plus 20 is 30. 30 plus 5 is 35. 35 plus 15, and then you need to divide it. 12.5, you're getting the answer. All of you getting 12.5. Good. So I've told you about everything now. Now we're going to start doing some sheets now. So I'll be stop sharing the screen and start sharing that screen. I'll be sharing the screen with you and we'll be start doing some sheets now. Hope you understood what we were telling you. So you'll be able to do it really, you'll be able to do it now. I'll zoom the sheets for you all if you can't see the sheets. Okay, let me do the sheets now. So you have a minute, all of you. You need their list of 10 numbers are given to you. 2, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7. You need to work out the range, find the mode, and calculate the mean. So you have, I'll give you guys 2 minutes to do this. And after you do this, I'll zoom in. You can't see it. I'll just zoom it for you all. I hope it's better now. Can you see it now? Try doing it, guys. I'll give you all a minute to do it. Think what we just did. We just did what a mean is. You know what the range is? The range is the highest minus the lowest. Good. 5, 4. Josh, you are really fast in doing it. So let me do for the ones who don't know. So we are just minusing 7 minus 2 gives you 5. That's your range. And the mode is the most common one is 4. And the next one is mean. The mean is you need to add all of them up. When you add all of them up, you will get 44 and you're dividing it by 10. You get 4.8. That's your mean. Just see if you all got the same answer like me. So these are the 3 ones we did. Did you guys get the same like mine? And the mean is you add them up and see there are 10 numbers divided by 10. You get 4.8. And then you will get the answer 4.8. Have a look. We'll move on to the next one. Well done if you got it right. Did you get it right? Josh, did you get it right? Yes, he did. Good. Anyone else? $4.4. Vivek has also got it right. Good. You can write it 4.8 and 4.4. It's absolutely fine, doesn't. Mode is 4. Is the most common one. I wrote it on the other side. Sorry about that. This is the answer for this one. And this is the answer for third one. First one, you already know the answer. It's here. Good. Preeti's got it all right. You can't see it is blurry. I'll do it fine. I'll rub this out. We have done with the first one. I will zoom the next one for you all. Sorry. This is the next one. There are a list of 5 numbers. You need to find the range, medium, and mean in this one. And I'll give you again a minute to do it. So you need to find the range, the median, and the mean. Range is the biggest minus the smallest. Median is the middle number. You put them in order and find the middle number. And the last one is mean. You add them up, see how many numbers are there, and do it by 5. You got it right? Good. Try doing it. And I will write the answer in a minute. You all can check your answer if you're right or you're wrong. So the answer is, for the first one, the answer is, I'll write the range here, is 11 minus 4. That gives you all 7. So your range is 7. The median is the middle number. You put them in order. So the middle number is 9. And your mean is, you add all of them up and you divide it by how many numbers they are. So 40, I add them up. How many numbers they are is 5. And when I simplify them, I get 8. So this was my range, median, and mean. You wrote it wrong. So that's the answer for number 2, all of you. If you got it wrong or right, just have a look. Then we can move on to the next one. 798. Good. Holly, we can do it after the lesson. You just concentrate. Just ignore what's happening. So try doing it. If he's trying to be a fool, let him be a fool. You guys don't be a fool with him. So just concentrate, all of you. So try working out the range, median, and mean and see if your answers are right. So we can move on the next one. So we did number 2 also. Let's try doing number 3 also in the next page. I will zoom in for you all. So you have height of in centimeters of 8 people. You need to find the range again. Remember, in this one, you have to find the range, mode, and mean in this one. So try doing it now. So you know what range is? The range is the highest minus the lowest. Mode is the most common one. And mean is, oh, your mean would be really big one. I'm going to see who does that. So your mean would be, you're adding all them up and you're dividing by 8. I'll give you guys a minute. You do it, then I'll write you the answers for these 3. I'll write the answers for range, mode, and mean. The range, mode, and mean. So I'm just writing your answers, what you guys are doing, but I'll tell you the answers in a minute. Yes, your first one is 39. Second one is 171. And the third one, I'm waiting for the third one. Who will calculate the mean for me? You need to add all these numbers here. You need to add all these numbers and see how it is. So let's do it now. The answer for the first one is, as we know what range is, range is the highest minus the lowest. So it's 190 minus 151. That gives me 39. And for number 2, your answer is the most common one is 171. And the third one is adding all of them up. When you add all of them up, you get 1357. And then you are dividing it by 8. That gives you 169.625. That's your answer for number 3. Did you guys get the same answer? Good. Radha's given me it. So this is the answer for the first one, second one, and third one. From range is 39, mode is 171, and mean is 169.625. Add them up, divide by how many numbers they are. Yes, Mathura, you're right. You already did it. That's good. Shilpa, you also got it right. Good. So let's move on to the next one. So let's do the next one now. Number 4. They are getting little harder now. The ones who are saying it's too boring, try doing it and giving me the right answer now. So you have been given the weight in grams for 6 potatoes. So you need to find the range in this one, and then you have to find the median in this one. Median is the middle one. Good. The first one is 45. You all got it. What about the second one? You need to put them in order and find the middle number. So you need to put them in order and find the middle number. Good, Josh. Vivek also did it right. Lavanya also did it right. Good. Vivek is done it. Saba is also got it right. So let's do it now. Well done to all of you. You guys are doing it really good. So the first one in this is, you do it. The range is 150 minus 105. That is 45. And you put them in order. When you put them in order, you have 129 plus 133, and you're dividing it by 2. And then you'll get your answer to 131. Did you guys got this? So we can move on to the next page now. It is median. Yeah, it's median. It's the middle one. So let's move on to the next one now. Number 5 now. I will zoom again for you all. So you can do number 5 for me. In this, there are 6 cards. Each card has a number on it. The number is 19, 7, 11, 8, 15, 15. And then you need to work out the range of the numbers on the cards and work out the mean of the number of the cards. So try doing this one. Number 5. Range is the highest minus the lowest. That's 12. And work out the mean. The mean is you add all of them up and you divide how many numbers they are. That's your mean in this one. Good. I got one answer. I got another answer. It's 12 and 12.5. Lavanya also got it. Josh also got it. So let's do this one. In this, you're doing 19 minus 7 gives you 12 for this one. Oh, my 12 is so bad today. And the mean is you add all of them up and divide how many numbers they are. And then you will get 12.5. That's the answer for these two. So let's move on to the next one. Well done to all of you who got it right. Now you have list of 10 numbers. You need to work out the range and the mode. Range is the biggest minus the lowest and mode is the most common one. Try doing number 6 now. Good. I have some clever kids who are doing it so fast today. I'm going on putting them on the board. Lavanya is doing really fast. Josh is good, doing really fast. Mathura is doing really fast. Vivek is also concentrating. Ashmi has started to concentrate. Prince is concentrating. E- Era's concentrate range is good. So let me write it down. That was an easy one. And all of you did really fast this one. So the answer for this one is 14 minus 1. That's 13. And mode is the most common one. So we all know that's 11. Let's zoom in now for the next one. So you have to find the median and the mean in this one. And you have been given some cards in this. Oh, you need to find the range also. So the things what you need to find is range, median, and mean. 3 things. Give you guys a minute to do it. Highest minus the lowest. That would be your range. And the median is the middle number. Put them in order and find the middle number. That's median. And the mean is add them up and see how many numbers they are divided by them. Josh is really fast. Kajal has also got it. Good. Ashmi got it now. Vivek got one of them. Shilpa got it. Mathura got it. Well done, guys. I'll just put the answers for the ones who didn't get it, but I think so this is easy. All of you must have got it. So the first one is 18 minus 5. That gives me 13. Next one, put them in order and then your answer would be 11. And the third one is add them up. You will get 77. You will divide it by 11. And your answer would be 11. That's 3 of this page. Now we'll move on to the next one. Well done, guys. Oh, sorry, it's 77 divided by 7, not 11. That was an error here. I will just do that. I just saw that. It's 77 divided by 7, not 11. Correct that, please. That was an error what I just wrote. I just realized that. So I'll just go on the next one now. So let's move this one now. Oh, it's the next page now. So I'll zoom the next page for you. It's only one on this page. So you're given cards here. There's a list of numbers, 8, 6, work out the median. And there are 6 cards. Let's do the first one first, then we'll do the next one. Just find the median first. Then we'll do the one below that. First find only the median, then we'll do it. You can't read it. Just find the median, then we'll move on to the next one. I think you can see it now. There are list of numbers 864598. Work out the median. Median is the middle number, and you just add them up and divide it by 2. 7. Yes, you got it. 7 is the middle number in the sequence. So the ones who are getting confused, we'll do it. So we are writing them down. It's 4, 5, 6, 8, 8, 9. You'll put them like this. Then you will see middle of that is here. You will add them up. 6 plus 8, and you're dividing them by 2. And then you'll get your answer 27. That's the answer for this one. So your number A is 7. So we'll move on to the next one. So let's do the next one now. So the next part is they have given you, now we are getting to the hard stuff now. It's getting little harder now. Here are 6 cards. There is a number on each card. 2 of the cards are hidden. The mode of the 6th number is 4 and the mean of the 6th number is 5. Work out the 2 missing numbers. So how would you work out the missing numbers now? So you know that the numbers are adding up into what? 4 and 8. You guys are so clever. Good. The hidden numbers are 4 and 8. So there must be at least one number 4, because they are telling you the mode is number is 4. You know that what they're telling you, the mode of 6 number is 4. So you know the mode is the most common one. So we know that one of the numbers what missing is a 4. We found that, and we can assume this one to be x. Let's say this number is x, and then you are just adding them up, and the numbers must add up to 30 now. And when we are adding them up all, we are getting 22, and then you're just minusing 30 minus 22, that's 8. I'll just write it down for you all. So it's 4 plus 6 plus 5 plus 3 plus 4 gives you 22. Then 30 minus 22, oh my god, my 22 looks so bad, gives you 8. That's your answer. Because you need to see that 6th number is this. You need to see what is given to you all. And with that, you collect as much information is given to you and get your answer. Root plus, I don't know what's wrong with you. You're sending angry faces. So that's why the first one is 4 and the next one is 8. I'm looking, the next ones are really hard for you guys. So let's do, which one should I do next? Okay, I'll leave it here because if I do it more, you guys will get confused and the rest of the page is getting really confusing now. So I'll stop sharing the screen now because I don't want to do hard work with you all. I just want to keep it as easy as possible. So, well done to all of you. Wait, is it done? Yes, I stopped because all the questions after that were really hard. And I don't want you guys to get confused, so I just stopped it. Is this the end? Yes, this is the end. Remember, tomorrow you have the non-verbal. We need to complete the paper from last week. What paper we were doing. Do you like it hard? It's fine. Maybe next time. So basically, we need to finish the non-verbal paper tomorrow and I'll put something else for non-verbal. What do you guys find it hard? So I'll put something else also there. What paper? If you look at last week, we did the non-verbal paper. You did good, Aiden. You feel good when you do good work. That's good. We'll be finishing the paper what we did last week. If you're new here, just go and see the last week non-verbal class. We did the CGP paper. We did section 1, 2 and 3. And I remember section 4 and 5 were left. So we'll be completing section 4 and 5 and we'll be doing something else. Well done, guys. That was so nice. I never got a message like this from any one of you. Well done, Monish. Thanks for spending your time teaching us. You learn more when it's harder. I know you do. But it's fine. Yeah, I'll do that afterwards, Pankri. Don't worry. Well then, guys, I'll see you all tomorrow now. Go have something to eat now. I will talk to you after. I will chat with you guys tomorrow back again. And I'll see I'll look at your chats after I'm done. So don't worry about anything. I was just looking. There were a lot of angry faces going around. I'll just have a look. Bye, everyone. I'll see you guys tomorrow now. Have a lovely rest of the day.